Mason's gonna roll over. Here he goes. Roll over, Mason. Roll over, baby. You can do it.
You can do it. Roll over.
Roll over, Mason.
Roll over. Choose a side. Roll over.
You look so cute, Mason. You wanna roll over? Roll over. Oh, no, you're not gonna do it because I put the video camera on. There you go. Roll over. Roll over.
You can do it. You can do it. Come on, Mason.
There you go. There you go.
Keep going.
Oh, now you're not gonna do it, huh? Come on. Come on. There you go. Here. Pull that arm out. And roll over. Oh, Daddy's gonna get your spit. He's gonna clean it up. Oh.
Mama got it. Come on, Megan. Show us those skills.
But guys, I'm not in the mood. Come on, Mason. I've only got 49 more seconds. Oh, you gonna crawl? You gonna crawl instead?
Can't get a good grip with his feet.
Oh, is that your problem? Is that your problem? You can't grip the ground with your feet? You gonna do it? You gonna do it? You gonna just try to crawl instead? Oh, well, we'll have to try again later.